Hi friends, finally I received my Canon EOS 2000D DSLR camera from Amazon. So this is a small unboxing video. So this is the box and you can see the picture, the model number, all the details. Let me open the box and show you the product. Please excuse my background noise. So these are the items included. So we have a charging adapter and we have a belt. Then this is the manual, I guess, which we normally don't go through. And this is another piece of paper which shows how we can connect or transfer files from this device to other devices over the Wi-Fi. And here we have the battery, and this is the battery charger. And this is the default lens which is bundled with the camera, which is I guess it's 1855, which is a standard lens. The packing is good. They have covered with bubble wrap so that there won't be any damage. This is the back cover and the lens. Yep. So like this we can open the lens cover. Need to be careful. Now let's take out the body, camera body. So this is how it is. It comes with a cover. It's very handy and very lightweight, easy to carry, easy to handle. This is the back LED display, and we have multiple options, the standard options for the DSLR camera, and this is where you insert the battery. Let me open this. Yep. So this is where you put your lens, insert your lens. Now let's try to connect the lens along with the battery. So here on the back side you can open like this and just check that connecting part. Okay, so that should fit inside properly with that charging unit, which is located inside. Closed, and let me switch it on. So there is a power button here. It's a sliding power button. And now let's connect the lens also. I removed the cover, camera cover. Now let me remove the back cover of the lens. And here you can see there are two dots. One is on the camera, you can see red and white, and on the lens you can see white. So you need to fix exactly like this. So white should match the white, and then just twist it so that you can hear a click sound. Yep, it's connected, and I have removed the lens cover. Now we are ready to switch it on and take a picture. Yeah, it's on. So this is we have a viewfinder. If you press that, okay, I think we need to set the date first, which I'll do later. Figure out how to cancel that. Yep, got it. Okay, you need to put the SD card, memory card. So if you press this, you can see the viewfinder. can see through this, or if you want to go with the other way, you just switch it off and you can look through the viewfinder. This is a standard basic lens 1855, and here we have multiple options like automatic, flash off, portrait, think macro, motion, and finally you have the video option as well, so you can capture good video. So if you're looking to get into DSLR photography, and if you're serious about photography, and if you want to learn photography, so this is the best option, budget friendly option to start with. So thank you friends, thank you for watching, have a good day.